Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. Here's some fresh blue crabs. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called garlic noodle crab. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started to prepare the crab.
First, thoroughly wash the crab. Then remove the tail. Open the shell at this time. Remove the gill. Take off the rostral part. Cut the crab into half. Further cut into quarter. Soak the bean vermicelli noodles for a couple hours. Chop 100 gram garlic into small pieces. Other ingredients include chopped scallion and hot peppers. First, add half of the garlic in the wok and fry until it's golden brown. Then add the other half in the wok. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add the soaked noodle in the plate. Add some garlic sauce on the noodle. Lay the crab on the noodle. Cut the noodle to make room for crab shell. Add the garlic sauce on the crab. Steam the crab and noodle for 7 minutes. Add chopped scallion on the garlic. Add some soy sauce for seafood. Finally, pour some hot oil on the scallion.
This is the garlic noodle crab I'm talking about. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support helps the channel to grow. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.